What do you do right now? What do you do right now with the cat? You go push her down the hill?
Yeah, man.
Go on, Chu. I want to see this. Go on. Them over cat. Yes. One of the star there, the one with the sheet. He's back again, my brother. Come. Tony, some of you say you cook for me. The people that might love the fact that you take care of me, son.
I want to do, you know? I watch people, you know? So you say, I go and watch people after your business.
Whoa, you've been farming. You know, a woman did tell me to give you her number, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I have to check out again, because she did like you, you know. No, man, it's a lady from New Zealand.
Yeah?
She did like you, man. She said, Randy, give me Tony's number, but I never have your number. You have to give me your number. Enough for the lady, them like you still.
Jamaica.
Them like your style.
Okay.
So you're a farmer and you can bring them back to nature. You have a nice little house and they want to come clean up your house for you and come give you a back rub. You know you need a back rub. You need a woman in your life, Tony. Yeah. You can't, how long you live alone?
Don't you, sir?
Yeah.
The family live well.
Then why you want to the woman, them not like you on yourself?
No, man. I'm not there.
You don't mix up with them?
Is the one with the woman in the family?
The woman them with down here, sir.
Oh. Some of them, I don't know what you call them. You and
Then if me didn't know say you down here cook big food, how come me not have your number where I'm bridging?
me check say, yeah, me number now.
I go check again.
Now, until you don't need to me give my regular number, you know?
Little bit, that good.
That's how good?
Yes, sir. Give thanks for the love there, sir. And I cut up pepper night. You know, people say me go everybody out done about them food. Then when me
oh! I didn't have a belly full, so I forgot to eat.
A fish you cook?
Chicken.
A chicken, you look good. Yeah.
A chicken me cook, man.
You're a big chef. Yeah, man. So I saw you live by yourself and you just do your thing. Then you're how old are you, Tony?
Well, I make it now 16 now. But I'm not, man, I'm not catch that day.
Yeah, you know how much rich man out there wouldn't have no husband. I would have love a strong Jamaican man like
Me
you.
want a spoon and one fork.
Give me a fork, King. At least you ask the question. Give me a big one. Come here like little fork, you know.
You want one then?
Yeah, man, that good.
So one trade, sit down.
No one sit down what I do, man.
Then go and go do your thing then.
Thank you, sir.
You want one pepper?
Yes, sir. Cut it up for me. Give me the green one. And where everybody me eat from, you know. I try the love. Let me see you show me.
You know, cut up it.
Yeah, man. Cut it up with knife. Yes. Give thanks, me say. Yeah, man. I get your wife, man. Life too short, you know. Yeah. Me I look a wife too, but me difficult, so.
See that?
The woman them a run from me. Hey, you not up here?
No,
Not up here, they're ripe.
you know, actually, they're not right, man. They're not right.
Lord God.
I agree with you then.
Do what of them not up here season.
Me have fear about the some of the hardly put down to ripe and area. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Me not hardly put down to ripe and take out matter.
People over the world make a good life. People always think say wealth. A woman asks a king, how you say you're a king and you have a mansion? The caring and sharing about people in a simple life this is what it is, the good life.
Yeah.
So I try to show them what Jamaica good life is. You see how me can come my yard and get some food?
Alright, sir. Let me show you.
You know? I may have a shirt for you, you know. When I walk down, so make sure you come get your shirt, you know.
When I go down back,
Yeah.
them man I come 5 man.
I bring a shirt for you, man. I'm saying, man. Things I can come here and I bring it out. Man. Jamaica Good Life said Tony make him chicken and him rice Sunday dinner. Give thanks, Tony. We know say no woman want to come here come eat your food, clean your house for you, love you up and give you a back rub. Cause them lonely up there, you know. You know the husband. You have pimento tree. You have everything, you know, Tony. You have banana. The woman they're lonely, Tony. They're lonely in the cold. And look at your strong, you're 61, 62. Then no trouble you go get them, man. And the trouble they want, you know. Them man 62, me have one for you, man. Them man 62, 65 in the cold, and no man 20. But look for your nice slippers. You know, says 20 well grown. I hear castle this, man. I love the food and it tastes good now. This is Jamaica Good Life. So my brother Tony down, remember Tony. Tony cook some food and give me some food, you know. I appreciate it, Tony, to the world. Ladies, Tony can cook, you know, so when you come Jamaica and want to meet Tony and get a good back rub down. Enough people are foreign in the UK. They want a good, strong husband, like farming husband. When they want, them come and say, Randy, you know, on a farm and I can marry. Them not say, them not have no friend. And then you're fit and healthy too, so them have lotion now, you can run around them back for them, you know. Enough people out the road stress out now, Tony. You have your tree, you have your house, you have your farm, you have organic, you got cucumber. You know much woman would help you clean up your place and just...
pepper tree, man.
Yeah, pepper tree too. Then the woman, they don't want pepper tree too. You know much woman want pumpkin and... Because you're rich, man.
I'm pumpkin that bush. Banana every damn thing. Looking at garden.
Look here. Are you that? Then the woman them don't want to live with you, man. Them stress out that are foreign at the cold now, Tony. I say, Randy, find me a good countryman now. I'm saying, alright, don't worry. I'm going to check my brother Tony. I'm filming so him and get him number and send out him number. I want him number to call me. Me go give him the number. Because I want to call me from New Zealand, you know. But me never did like how she looks, so me never did want to give you all the number. Because some people just want to come for mash you up, you know. They stress out. I don't want to bring you no stress, you say, you know, Tony. And I say, you happy?
Oh, it's not raining now, Randy. And I carry the rain coming now.
I'm not carry the rain. I like how you put prophecy for me, no. I like how you call me put prophecy for me, no, Tony. The last time you going to put prophecy for me, no. So, Randy, you're going to be there, you know. You come right back, you know.
No, let me rain a drop. I carry the rain coming, Randy. Believe you me.
How long time rain no come?
I'm afraid we'll get the rain and see if we get the today again. And I can make you come today.
Give thanks, sir. This good, you know. Me thankful, you know. This is good, you know. And you know, somebody like pepper, you know. When Baba cook, me cook a whole 2 pepper in it, green pepper. Me love the pepper, man. If people want to say I eat out people food that they had, I because they're jealous.
I'm telling you food, man. It's the food. It's when you eat your belly full. But you said them a shot this, sir. You said, Jonathan, you can use the toilet and you run for yard. Without man not for me about food. Food. Yes, sir.
I love it, man.
No, I don't mean about food.
Your chicken, where you buy your chicken?
Not a shot there.
I didn't kill it.
Jonathan chicken.
It's fresh.
I'm going to season him up and cook him.
Organic.
I'm going to say, you say you want that. I'm going to take my own time and cook.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to find out years. You understand?
And you was in time because 1 o'clock come, and Maya said, John, when you go to Tony, I said, 1 o'clock, you see the plate fat come off a fire.
You say this to do. I catch up my old fire there, sir.
I just say you're cooking?
I put my piece on fire. I cook the chicken
Hold on, let me take that one here. Hello, you live on the recording. So we have to say, make sure you don't say nothing too private, because I do a show right now, but more you what you say, talk to me. This is one of my fans, you know. And they're all over the world. Them send me support, you know, so I can continue the show.
So the time to man out. I cook the peas on the wood fire and the rice. Cook the chicken on the gas stove.
You put the peas
On the wood fire. The peas and the rice, we cook it on the wood fire. See the wood fire there, you know?
Is that a reason why you do that?
No,
You cook better?
and I said that I cook better, but I cook it on the gas, that will take too
long.
long.
And you spend money. The chicken cook quick up on the gas.
So I take time, me when the peas I cook, I take more long time I cook the chicken. When I depend no years. I'm tell you what I have to come. You understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So I just take more long time. I cook.
It's nice, you know.
Huh?
I forgive it to you, you know. Me say, when the rain come, me like your vibe, man. I can go bush with you and cook out, you know.
I said the brain I come today. And now you can come.
Thank you, sir. It's a blessing. May I go do some work work, you know?
Let me tell you, so you come back, you come, you a house down there, so you come fix up it.
I'm not sure which part I go tell you, but I go build a little thing, you know.
You fix up.
But you know, so may I go do some work, I like her.
But me know so that house down there, sir. The house down there. You gotta fix up it. I see the plan. I see the plan down there. And no somebody want to come back in there, no? I know get something they want to come back.
Why?
The house is down that time I come down there.
Let me see it. You want to talk about it?
Wow, man.
Do you want the food good, you know?
Wow, man, I come find on the road, you see? And when he turn up, run I can do something, man, come out here and car. And say the man they design this house, sir. But I like see that man here. And he said this a youth here, in that head married. The road not pretty at the front here, so you know. Or when you get around the corner. You understand?
Yeah, man. This is land of royal people, you know. You're a king, you know. The royalty, you know.
What's
Yeah.
down there?
You used to say you're royal people. Look how much you have. Look how rich you is. You're rich, you know.
And it's supposed to depend and then I'll be this year, I can make some money out of it.
The pimento?
Then I'll be this year.
Okay.
The print.
So much acres of land you have, so?
You know, it's in all land. My grandfather dealt it. You know, it's 52 acres.
Them have under your name?
I don't think you know.
So everything are for you. Anything you want.
So, for me, uncle did not give me no problem. Like my them, you know what I'm saying? But then I just the land there.
Hey, me like how you put the time in it, you know. Enough people are try to show off to me and tell me say they're a chef, you know. But sometimes some man not say they're a chef and when they cook it dangerous, you know. Cause enough people run around, yeah, me a chef, me a this, me a this. But sometimes everybody's food tastes different. But your food tastes wicked, it tastes nice.
They put me the something to put like cut up all 2 carrots and everything.
Oh Lord, man. Cause it look like so you burn the chicken good, like you put the hide on you.
All right.
So you make me this a sour orange? What is?
Me not know sorry.
How you put in it? Syrup.
Syrup.
Good.
Ice.
Ice. Me tell you something like big ice, you know.
They're not big. You want more ice?
Because this is ice, kind of ice will sink the Titanic. I love it, man. I love the treatment. I don't care if my belly get big, you know.
We're not talking about get big. If you want food, then you say you want food.
Give thanks, sir.
People, me take a little bit so my belly not get big, but me give thanks to Tony on this Sunday. Yeah? Enough time nobody don't treat me very good, but which means I have more time hang out with you. But when I come back, I go hang out, sit down. I bring you a shirt. You see me? And we're going to hang out and take our time and move forward. I like genuine people.
But you done your food, man. You not play with it. Do you have cat or dog? A cat or dog you have?
My dog soon come for it. And you me tell you, I get so nice rain today, now. And then you carry the rain come here, now.
And me carry the rain?
Yes?
Eh?
And you carry the rain come.
So people don't go happy?
Me know about me go happy.
Because you have some yam over so.
Me know say, me go happy. But the water around the...
The tank a dry out?
No, you want shorter. Me no shorter water still, you
So
understand?
who fix your tank bottom for you? If a tank bottom want fix one so who fix it?
A man can fix it.
Who?
Yeah, somebody can fix it.
An expert. What him name?
You want to fix up Jonathan House?
The one that fix up Jonathan house?
Aye.
The construction man?
Aye.
The one that build the foundation?
Aye.
But him not expensive.
Yes, sir, you got to pay now. You want to drink?
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
You want to fix Jonathan House?
Yeah. It look like a piece of rain will come. Look like a piece of rain will come.
Sorry, now come to our house.
Me appreciate this.
Yeah?
Me appreciate it. I have a friend in Canada.
Yeah.
The man surrounding. Just find me some people me can just sit down run. Wipe your nose, wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Him say, Randy, find me some people me can just sit down run. Eat some food. And relax.
Yeah, man, anytime you're ready, you call them neighbor. Anytime you're ready. You must be at the food there, you know. I know, buy, you know. And you play that food there. You have banana, you have pumpkin, you have yam, you have breadfruit, cocoa, anything they want. Chicken.
Goat head, where you buy the goat head?
You can't go Christian to go buy it, you can't go man to go buy it.
Okay.
And plus, you know what, I used to say a man will have goat then. This is what a man will have goat. I used to say, you sell a goat then, you say, yeah, you can bargain for your buyer. Clean him up, clean your child, put him down pan fridge, have your feet down anyway there. You understand? So you go, you want chicken again, you go and shop with I want 20 pounds of chicken.
Give me your number. What your number? When you born again?
Are you from around?
What date?
In a 50 years.
What month? What day of the month?
You're not quite,
Sure, what day?
No, hold on.
What the number? 876. You say birth certificate?
Alright.
Tony, where you keep the birds? Where you keep it?
Put it on what? Put the top me have it, man. You know?
Yeah, I say you fold it up.
Yeah. I go change it, you know.
You have to put in a plastic, Tony.
We can't put it on my okay, man, they will go look about, you know.
Oh, Tony.
See it, right?
Let me see. Look how it's precious.
My okay, man, will go look about,
You
know.
have to. Now we can't even read it.
Yeah.
Now I forget my glasses.
You see it?
I'm going to zoom in for it. Alright, I can't read it, but take care of it, please.
Yeah,
I'll
man.
call you and remind you, you know.
Yeah, man.
You need money to take care of it?
Now, forgot, you leave my one, forgot, man, do it. Let me say, me have, say, $2,000. Me can't go get it.
I have to take the taxi.
I'm not going I can't go, the more, me can't go get it. And the more, give me one back, one brand new one. You must say, the more change, and you want the one.
No plastic. Yeah.
So much.
So then you'll know the day that you're born.
Them talk go right now the computer.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
And then they will tell you when you were born.
They tell me when me born and everything. So. And that's why I say, Mother, show you, make you look on you and
Yeah, but me not my glasses.
Mm.
But definitely, you know,
But
sir.
this part, I put it down now.
Hold this for me. Hold it so. I can see me totally. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, just like that. Just like
Turn it around.
that. That good. Now, people, here we are with Tony birth certificate. Tony doesn't remember what day he was born. And I don't have my glasses, but I'm gonna look outside with the light to see. And I'll go with it up. Alright, so here we sit now. Is that Samuel
Palmer.
Palmer? It says real 7th. Wait, 7 that or that I cut right there, so 27. Is that a 2? You see, cut right there, so it look like 27th.
But when you're going to come, you understand?
So it's on the 7th day of September, you know? And not April, Tony.
September.
September you're born.
Okay.
And then it's a weakness on my hand this 15th day of October. 15th day of October weakness. With parish of Manchester, you're born. And I can't make my glasses. So right there, so I go zoom in and put me another phone.
So where do that phone?
We have it right here, so...
I have, yeah.
Now go zoom in on the phone. I'll see if I can see it. Can I get hold to it? I know you want to hold it on my virgin. So my goes, alright, that look like September. And it says 19... I think
51.
it's a 53
58.
or 58. You know I'm 58.
Yeah.
So you're born September, not April. And you're born on the, it looked like the 27th, Tony. It looked like you're born on the 27th or on the 7th. I think it's the 27th of September, Tony.
Yeah.
So please protect this. You're Samuel Palmer. But today's a happy day, look like say. God didn't want to. God didn't want to remember when you're born, so he sent me. So check your birth certificate.
Yeah.
Go check your birth certificate from the Randy. Wow, this is a proud day for my man to help you out with this. Enough people out the road want to help you now.
How you know, sir? Right on the morning, spend at the yard. They can't take care of the yard. You understand what I mean?
Help you fix it up.
Help me fix up it. That will fix up, you know. But I want somebody when can sit down and talk like how many they and talk and all. Like you see me and say, told me want some food today now. And see the right time you come for the food. And you may talk and you say, bring your band and you can't say look on that to me Randy. We don't know what can happen in life.
Yeah.
Maybe we can't get up tomorrow morning, is it Tony coming? You understand?
Yeah, sick and nobody no.
I know, but right.
That's why no man is an island.
That man show you?
You see? No man is an island. At least no me know when you're born approximately. I'm have to remind you to bring it to the place.
Right.
That's why I like move around with the elders them because I learn a lot. And then I taste some good food and drink some good tea. Cause you all come from the day of it, go put this back please. Take your time with it. You come from the days of the slaves, I mean. You're original, you know?
Every time, you know.
You're original enough for your facial feature. You're the original Jamaican face, you know. You see your face square and your nose big, and so the original Jamaican look.
Alright.
You're original.
Alright. Let me show you. You not see me. But let me see you with them checks in your garden.
No, I'm going without checking, man.
You know, see, now I'm going without checking, but say, you know.
You see me around so you think I'm far from you. No, man.
Oh, no.
No, man, let me tell you something. I'm going to call a friend and see what them say. Me know, say. I have to see you, man. Wait there. Let me say my friend them say. What me say on I say? Yes, I Patrick. What you say?
What go on, brethren?
Me there now.
You know, me just there. Me taped like a video yesterday. Taped like a video yesterday, man, and we're just watching it over again. So we're gonna send it concrete.
Big up to the wife.
What you doing? What you doing?
Me there now. No, me I film. Remember Tony with the bedspread?
Let me go inside, maybe the breeze out. Yeah, man.
You remember Tony with the sheet?
Big up yourself, Randy. Big up yourself every time. Everything alright?
Me there, man. You remember Tony with the sheet in Norway? The guy with the sheet.
Yes, man. Yeah, me remember him, man.
Him the right just to talk to him.
What happened, sir?
Yes. Big up yourself, my brother. What go on, man?
I'm a 20 man, you know?
Yeah, man. Tony, boy, I never go watch all the video there.
So me I run the day I reason, you know?
Yeah, man. I just saw me and the wife there upon the balcony, sit down and we are reaching to, you know,
Yeah, man. So,
that's a whole of vibe. Doing there still, you know?
yeah, man.
So when you come through to Norway, you're going to link up with Tony. Tony just give me some food, you know?
Yeah, more I drop everything and reach down there in no time, Bridget.
Me got everything lined up for you. Everything. Me I'll find a man with room too, you know.
Everything line up.
Yeah, man. Me find a man with some room.
Alright, now go start packing my barrel. Now go...
Start the thing, man.
Oh, I move around a little bit when I reach there, you know.
Everything lined up for you. Yeah, man.
Alright, yeah, man. I'm glad everything good, everything good.
So me I move out to Portland, so give thanks for the support you and the wife. Me I move out to Portland tomorrow.
Yeah, I got Portland.
Yeah, them want me at Portland now, them send me too often in Manchester.
Ay. Yeah, dig up, man. Yeah, dig up, man. Hey, my glad, man. My glad. Me I tell you, me have to plant the seed. Me have to plant the seed. And a long time I don't want to plant the seed, man. And I grow, man. And I tell you, my thing is just to reach Jamaica. What man did you and the family them? Everything alright?
Which family?
The Jamaica Good Life crew.
Everything good, man. Everything good.
Everything good, man.
Alright, guys, a family business, you know, a family business, and yeah, man, me love that, man. Me love on the man.
Yeah, man. And
Like, say, I fuck with my family, so.
but you have to understand, sometimes some
More
people.
reach Jamaica, man. More if you hook me up with somebody, maybe even Kaya or somebody. You not seen a picture of me with us yet?
No, you have to send it to me. I'm gonna put you in the best of hands. No worry yourself.
Alright.
No worry
Nah,
yourself.
joke, you know, me I fly out, man. Me just say, you know what?
Anytime you're ready, let me know. Talk to me. Alright?
Alright, October.
Alright, good. I'll put you in the best of hands.
October. You got it down there in October?
No, December.
December, you got it there?
Yeah. No watch no face.
Okay.
Me got people for take care of you. No watch nothing. Me I put you with big people, not with the boys.
Alright.
Cause sometimes the boys they make mistake. We can't make no mistake. You dig? You know, people make mistakes in family too. You see me?
Yes, you're right.
So me have to put line you up with the big people. Them when I make no little mistakes.
Alright, thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's why I go line up with the Lambert, them, the Deacon, the Baba. You see?
Yeah, man, Lambert, man. Lambert said we love the man, the man just humble and nice, man.
Yeah.
And him know what going on in Jamaica too, so we need that kind of information.
Yeah, and me send you him number right now so you can start talk to him. You have to just take care of him. So I'm gonna send you number when you hang up. I just start talk to him and say, yo, Randy say you me for link up with. So make we start the conversation from now. Alright?
Alright.
Respect and love, sir.
Alright, sir. Yeah.
So I'm go forward Lambert connection to you. You hear me say?
Alright, sir.
Respect.
And, wait, when you leave Jamaica, I have more touch bases with you in the next weekend, but between Monday and Tuesday, someone drop something in your hand still, you know?
Just keep it coming, you know, cause you do it already. I mean, I appreciate if I never for you would not move, you see me? And the thing is, when I find out, say, enough of the youth them around me, them just rush in for the rush in. Them not really do the work. So I keep them numbers off the table and make sure the people them support me so I can continue the work. Cause enough of them see what I go on, I want to come reap, but to see them on my plant without even do nothing, you know? Them think them.
No, that's not right. You have to put in your time.
Yeah, them think them tricky, you know? Me see them. You see me? So now watch no face. Keep calling me pick up and I go forward Lambert thing to you, alright?
Yeah, man. Pick up whenever you can. Me know say you're busy. Right?
Big up the wife.
Me will always support you whether you're there with Jamaica or whether you're there in New York.
Respect,
right?
love, respect.
Alright, my brother.
Cool.
Later.
So Tony, see them man, the people them love. You see, say remember you. You see, say remember.
So you say, I mean, to go up on the road today this evening?
Yeah, I go move on the road, but you know, so I'm telling you, I go come back. And when I come back, me I go come back and me I go, you know, come back home, me I go call you cause if me need no physical work to get done, me I go use people when me can sit down with. I won't talk about my business and who is good and who humble and you know. You're spiritual, you see certain things but enough people now see.
Well, I want me know say. Hear me now, today Sunday now. Me know say I come back home to fix up that house.
I know most that house, you know.
Me know say not. Yeah, me say I go fix up. You gotta have some ways, you know, but me know say I go set up to make it look nice.
You see, you know, we have to make me is a humble man, you know, so I take everything in time. And you know, so me not really have no anxiety.
Really, when I set up, you gotta set up something for yourself then. And that me say. Alright, and me never look for you. Me never look. Me not look for you. You got that. Me find me see you. So me check some the youth today and drive the car there. And the dancing I keep.
Oh yeah.
Fix up it. That go fix up, you know. But I want somebody, men can sit down and talk like how many they are talk, you know. Like you see me, I say, told me want some food today, you know. And you see the right time, you come with the food. And you now talk and you say, bring your bag and make us look on that for me and it. I don't know what can happen in life.
Yeah.
Maybe can get up to my man and say, Tony come here. You understand?
Yeah, sick and nobody no.
And nobody, right.
That's why no man is an island.
Just man show you?
You see? No man is an island, and at least now me know when you're born approximately, I'm going to remind you to bring it to the place.
Right.
That's why I like move around with the elders them, because we learn a lot. And then we taste some good food and drink some good tea. Cause you all come from the day of it. Go put this back, please. Take your time with it. You come from the days of the slaves, them, yeah. You're original.
To make people get water, you know, at the biggest standard, you know.
So you have my plan for do. Is it the land run at the back? My plan for build a bigger tank up there, so, and then send pipe out for help people. That is the plan.
Other people water now.
Can you hear me I say? So with man like you, I help for Brockstone, and people want to help me to build that the kind of tank there.
Namos. Yeah, man. That we doing now.
And then if we do that now, build something right big up there.
Remember when you chop down the woodland, you know?
Yeah.
You see all about, you know? Remember say you see up here, you know? And you see back on a good tent, you know? And you see back up a high water and everything.
Because once we have something big up there, you know, then catch crop for certain places. People don't have to worry about water, them can't run in water, pipe water.
And this is not easy, like easy if you go there, sir.
Yeah.
Street light easy if you go there, sir.
So, enough man out there want money to do everything them do, you know. A certain man will say, alright, me broke 10 stone for you this week. You see me? But me now want to be careful how I move, because everybody.
My dinner money, that.
Yeah.
I have me put it down. Get up on me, baby. When I want, I don't drink out it.
Yeah.
When I want, I nice. Today is Sunday. Me go week, now I can't do any damn thing.
Who's a plumber? You have a good plumber around here, sir?
Plumber?
You fix bathroom?
Yeah, man.
And pit? Who's that? Who you know?
I'm man put down all this with me, Johnny.
Johnny? Have a number?
Johnny Daly.
Johnny Daly?
You know, I've been on that image.
But him good?
I'm good.
And you have a man who fix tank?
Yeah, man, I'm tank and me a man who work on tank. You understand? I just enter you with.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, sir.